As you all know, things happen that are completely out of our control, especially when it comes to weather, and it can be really stressful trying to cancel all of your reservations, especially when you're trying to call one time slot when the next time slot is already on their way in for their reservation. To help alleviate some of this stress, I'm going to be showing you our cancel event button. So what I'm going to do is click on the day and time you want to cancel. From there, you're going to click on the cancel event at the top right. This is just letting you know that it will automatically contact the reservations. It will send them an email and it will text them a reschedule link. The texting is only if you are signed up for the texting feature. If not, then they will just be emailed the reschedule link. And this will happen for everyone, even the people that have not paid yet. So all you will need to do is click on this confirm button. After you do that, what I'm going to do is click on our settings. As you can see under sale status that it is unavailable, so it automatically makes that time unavailable so no one can book it online, so you don't have to worry about having to call more people and all of that stuff. Underneath that you have your cancel reason. This is if you want to track why you canceled, and it'll also show up on that report to make it a little easier. So what I'm going to do is click on cancel due to weather. As you can see at the bottom, it automatically turns off follow-up emails and reminders. That way it won't send a follow-up email to someone for an event that never happened. If I go back and click on text right here with this reservation, you can see that it texted them, sorry, we had to cancel the event, and it's going to text them that reschedule link. I'm also going to show you the email that it sends. So as you can see here, this is the email that they get. They can either click here to reschedule, or they can copy and paste this link into their browser. If they click on it, it's going to take them to this booking link. They're going to have to acknowledge it. As you can see, it won't let them change the number of tickets. It's going to keep it at the amount that they had originally. And then from here, they just click on the day they want to reschedule for. And once they click on the time, they're just going to click on confirm reschedule. And now if I go back to my calendar and go to the day that they rescheduled for, it will let you know that they rescheduled from April 12th at 9 a.m. That way you can see who has rescheduled to the new time.